Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a smart locker system using Arduino Uno. This project is designed with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals in mind, such as SDG 9 Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, SDG 11 Sustainable Cities and Communities, SDG 12 Responsible Consumption and Production, SDG 4 Quality Education. So, let's start building. This is the RoboPitara kit. For this project, we are going to use the prototyping with Arduino kit and Junior Scientist kit. Take up an Arduino Uno, a keypad module, an LCD display, a servo motor, a potentiometer, some jumper wires, and breadboard. Step 1. Place the LCD display on the breadboard as shown here. Step 2. Use the jumper wires to connect the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard to the 5V and GND of the Arduino, respectively. Step 3. Connect the LED anode and LED cathode of the LCD display to the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard. Step 4. Connect the data pins DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7 to the digital pins 10, 9, 8 and 7 of the Arduino. Step 5. Connect the VDD and VSS pins to the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard and RS and EN pins to the digital pin 12 and 11 of the Arduino. Step 6. Place a potentiometer on the breadboard. Connect it with VO pin of the LCD. Connect one terminal to the positive power rail and other terminal to the negative power rail of the breadboard. Step 7. Use a servo motor. Connect the signal wire to the digital pin 6 of the Arduino. Connect the red wire to the positive line and brown wire to the negative line of the breadboard. Step 8. Use a keypad module. Connect the C1, C2, C3 and C4 pins of the keypad to the digital pins 5, 4, 3, 2 of the Arduino. Connect the keypads R1, R2, R3 and R4 pins to the Arduino's analog pins A0, A1, A2 and A3 respectively. Step 9. Connect the Arduino to your computer using the USB cable. This is a program code we are going to upload into the Arduino. You can download the complete sketch for your Arduino from the link provided in the description. Or you can visit our website www.edusoftrobotics.com. Click on Tools in the menu. Click on Boards. Select the Arduino Uno. Now, again go to Tools. Click on Port. Select the COM port of the Arduino. Click on Upload to upload the code into the Arduino. It's time to see the smart locker system in action.